Yes, in this lab we are doing web shell upload via extension bypass. So it contains vulnerable image upload functionality in certain files named to the blacklist. But this defense can be bypassed due to fundamental flaws figure of this blacklist. And to solve it, we need to upload basic PHP web shell to connect to extract the contents of this file location and then submit it with the secrets in the lab banner. Okay. There's a hint. Solution is we're not gonna look at any of those because I already did this slide before, so it's just wait for this to load. So nothing's gonna be here. It's just gonna be through the account. So we need to log in. Just to give us. Okay. So test, we need to just send a basic image file that worked, that's saved. It's nothing, so that's why it's a broken image. And try to upload our PHP file. Okay, that is allowed. Okay, come back. Okay, so that's allowed. So if we come into our proxy here, let's see. So this, you need this request and just a second one. Yes, this one. And then, so we can upload files. So if we send this, it says, oh, it's been uploaded, so that's weird. So it looked like there is some type of file or security in place that allows certain things. So you can send this, and this says, sorry, no PHPs are allowed. It says error. So come back to here somewhere. Mm, sorry, PHP cannot be uploaded. Uh, so we see that this server is running Apache 2.24 Ubuntu. And usually on Apache servers, there's like a file named dot slash, not dot slash, dot htaccess. That usually, oh, what is allowed on the server that's holding the application. So if we can allow, so if we create or add in that file name and then, so there is a, yeah, what was it? A file that allows you to, there's a resource, let's see if I can find it. See if we can search it. Should be access file. Is this the thing I'm looking for? Yeah. So noticeably there is a HTTP access on these on the Apache servers, and then it will allow us to, if the server allows us to, we can overwrite the file that's already on the server that's doing security checks, and then if we add the type, which should try to figure out where I've seen this. So if we add the I don't know where did I find the allowed. There's some type of thing you can do with, I think it was like add type. I think it was, or it was something that allowed you to. Here's allow file. Oh, it's not this. So if we put like, so here, this is the contents of HT access file in the www-ht doc example. So if we put this like example like add type example and then the file session, what that'll do allow us to put once this if this is successful, if we add this into a contents of a file, we say open to request, it will allow us to bypass that restriction on the system, and it will say should give us back a 200 OK for the file wherever. So after that, the next time we try to upload our shell or script or payload, it should allow us to say, hey, as long as this file is specified and it's on the system, as long as it's specified with this extension, say like PHP, PHP5, docx, it will allow us to execute whatever's in that file contents, and it'll give us the secrets. So we need to put this here. So we need to get rid of first we need to create another this the Yes, it's a duplicate of it. So we just need to change it to HT access and then add type and the PHP default content type is application slash HTTPD dash PHP. And the extension you can use any extension. You can use PHP shell, but as long as it could be an extension. I use this one, so you can use this one as well. So if you send this request, this is hey the HTTP uploaded, which is on all Apache servers with like file type and password restrictions. Not act well, not password. That's HTTP whatever it's called. So that allows us to upload that. So if we come here to our Git file, so it allows us to, so now we change the availability of this extensions allowed. So what we have to do now is use whatever name. It could be any name for the file. So we're just going to use the same name for this. We just have to make sure we upload. We have to the L33 key and send this request. It should allow us to, yeah, see it says, hey, the file, this avatar is uploaded, L33T, and then what we have to do is change the extension, send the request, and that secrets of the college user account. And so this one's a little bit more interesting to do the first time around because I was a little confused on how this worked. Apparently, if you, as long as you, as explained before, the explanation how this would work, you would do the, what's it? You put the access file, you upload that, and then you add the add type allowed. It'll come back. So hey, this is uploaded. That means it was updated because it's already on the server. And when you do that, when you upload a new version of the file, it will say, hey, this is new updated version of it. And so it allowed us to change basically the security protections of this blacklisting. And so that'd be it for this one. And in the next one, we'll be doing the web shell upload obfuscation file extension. So that might be encoding coding values and things of that nature. So I'll see you guys in the next one.